Deborah Abela twieġeb il-mistoqsijiet dwar l-Ispettaklu Stupend Żanżan Kelma. Minn fejn ġietek l-idea għall-ktieb?
When I was in grade 4, Miss Gray, my brilliant teacher, set up a spelling competition and she put the girls against the boys. And because we were so keen to beat each other, we studied our words really, really hard and it became a really fun way to learn how to spell.
Fuq x'inhu l-ktieb?
India Wimple is a brilliant speller, but she is also incredibly shy. But when her whole country town and her family encourage her to sign up for the stupendously spectacular spelling bee, she decides to give it a try.
There are plenty of obstacles to reaching the finals, like Summer Millicent Ernestine Beauregard champion, who isn't afraid to step on anyone who gets in her way.
Għaliex ktibt dan il-ktieb?
I've always loved words and books and reading, and I've wanted to be an author ever since I was 7. When I first got the idea of this shy young girl called India Wimple, I knew I wanted to write about her and her gorgeous family who support her to try and make it to the International Spelling Bee.
Thanks for your questions, and I hope you really enjoy the book.
Grazzi, Deb!